In this video, we will learn about the organs of digestive system. So first we will start with buccal cavity or oral cavity. So under this we will see mouth. It is bordered with an upper and lower jaw. The jaws are covered with cheeks on the sides and by lips in the front. Lips are soft, movable and sensitive structures. They help in sipping and sucking liquid and in taking the food. Then teeth. Teeth are the hardest non-bony structures. These are partially embedded in the bony sockets of jaw bones. Then palate. The roof of buccal cavity is formed of hard and soft palates. It separates buccal cavity from the nasal chambers. Then tongue. Tongue is a flat muscular protrusible structure attached to the floor of buccal cavity. It bears taste buds to taste the food. Tongue helps in manipulating the food during chewing and swallowing. It also helps in speech. Tongue is formed of skeletal muscles covered with mucous membrane. Then glands. Mucus glands in the cheek lining secrete mucus. It keeps tongue moist and lubricates food, making it easier to chew and swallow. Three pairs of salivary glands pour their secretion, that is saliva, in the buccal cavity. So we will see these three glands. So this is parotid gland, this is sublingual gland, and this is submaxillary gland. Then pharynx. Pharynx is a funnel-shaped passage behind soft palate where food channel and air channel cross each other. So this is pharynx. The food channel continues in the neck as esophagus and air channel or windpipe forms the larynx and trachea. Then gullet is the opening of esophagus and glottis is the opening of larynx or trachea. Then uvula. The opening of trachea in pharynx is guarded by a muscular flap called epiglottis or uvula. It closes the glottis while swallowing to avoid entry of food into the windpipe. Similarly, when air is inhaled, the gullet is closed by the same muscular flap. Then esophagus. Esophagus is a straight muscular tube about 25 centimeters or 10 inches long. Food passes down the esophagus by peristaltic movements of its muscular wall. Only mucus glands are present in the wall of esophagus. They produce mucus to moisten and lubricate the lining of esophageal tube. Digestive glands are absent in esophagus. So here this is esophagus or food pipe. So here we will see peristalsis or the peristaltic movement. Peristalsis is the progressive wave of muscle contractions that proceeds along with the wall of esophagus. It pushes the food contents in the tube to move forward. So here in the diagram we can see the peristaltic movement. Then stomach. It lies below the diaphragm. The lining of stomach wall contains numerous gastric glands. These glands secrete gastric juice, hydrochloric acid or HCl, and mucus. Then small intestine. Small intestine is about 6.25 meters or 20 feet long tube of around 2.5 centimeter 1 inch diameter. It is differentiated into three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Duodenum is C-shaped part of intestine which is about 25 centimeter long. Its descending limb receives openings of common bile duct and pancreatic duct. So this is duodenum. Then jejunum is about 2.5 meters or 8 feet long and 4 centimeter wide but narrower than duodenum. So this is jejunum. Then ileum is about 3.5 meters or 12 feet long and 3.5 centimeter wide. It forms the largest part of small intestine. So this is ileum. Then the inner lining of intestine called intestinal mucosa is produced into numerous minute finger-like projections called villi. In singular it will be villus. So here we can see this is a villus. These villi are present in the intestinal wall of small intestine. Each villus is supplied with an arteriole. So here we can see this is arteriole, a venule. So we can see this is venule. Blood capillaries. So we can see these are the blood capillaries, and a lymph vessel called lacteal. So here you can see this is lacteal. The villi greatly increase the area for absorption. The intestinal mucosa contains numerous Brunner's glands and crypts of Leverkusen or digestive glands. The digestive juice secreted by these glands is called succus entericus. Then, large intestine or colon. Large intestine is about 1.5 to 1 meters, that means 5 to 6 feet long tube. It is wider than small intestine with 6 centimeter or about 2.5 inches diameter. It lies in the abdominal and pelvic cavities of the body. It is divided into cecum, colon, and rectum. Cecum is a small pouch. The opening of small intestine into cecum is controlled by an ileocecal valve which permits the food to move down into the large intestine but not back. From cecum rises a blind tube, the vermiform appendix. So this is cecum and this is vermiform appendix. Colon is an inverted U-shaped tube divided into four parts, namely ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. So here you can see this is ascending colon, this is transverse colon, this is descending colon, and this is sigmoid colon. Rectum is about 20 centimeter or 6 to 8 inches long tube that opens to the exterior by anus. Anus is girded by anal sphincter muscles. So this is anus and this is rectum. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.